The Smart. The 70 Roadrunner is way behind schedule. We're close now. We're within a week of getting it wrapped up, and you can come down and pick it up, and we'll put it behind us. We'll move to the next one.
Come on, you had to have at least thought about a resolution last night.
It doesn't matter how old you are. You always have to have a New Year's resolution.
Something.
Yeah, a little bit.
So what is it?
I haven't really decided yet. And Josh is just obsessed with the New Year's resolution thing.
You plan about it now, and then you go all year.
No, you got a whole year to figure out what you want to do, and then work on it.
No, but
Yeah.
that's,
No,
that's
you're supposed to have them by now.
What you need to keep in mind is you brought me the car as a basket case. I'm not surprised in the least that I got my butt chewed today by the client that owns the Roadrunner. We had it coming weeks ago. The only thing that bothers me is I don't think I was the only person that should have had the butt chewing coming. So what I should have said was there's no guarantee of when that thing's going to be done, because I'm not sure if all the pieces and parts are actually here or not. I understand. Well, we're all out working right now on it.
Maybe you should, for a resolution about thinking about others.
It is about me. My kids
Maybe
are
you should
almost
be a little bit
gone.
more respectful when I'm talking.
And in that
okay?
case, you know what? You need to be thinking about a
Come
resolution
on.
is what you need to do, man. You need to be thinking about what you're going to do with your life, Jared.
Bye.
Oh, there you are, man. Hey, so I was assembling the shifter knob, and I found it's all cracked up. And
You know what? I don't care. No, I do care, but the problem is I just got off the phone from the customer that owns the Roadrunner chewing my ass out big time. Because the car wasn't done on Christmas like I've been begging everybody to help me get done. All right?
Time to hide.
You,
Hide.
Darren.
Royal, it's time to hide.
Darren. Royal, please. Just 1 second. I just got off the phone and get my butt chewed out because the Roadrunner wasn't done. The one I've been begging for weeks to have done.
How is it our fault?
You know exactly how it's your
is it
fault.
always our fault?
Well, it's not my fault.
It's the resources we need.
I don't mind playing the mother hen. I have all the parts and the pieces and the layouts for them ahead of time. I do that. If they paid to have the car done on a certain date, it needs to be done. You don't get to go do whatever it is you do, which is nothingness. And you certainly aren't going to have a place to live, you
Maybe
stupid,
you're mad at
nervous,
the wrong
laughing
people
freak.
here.
Who should I be mad at?
Who promised it?
For committing to things that are unreasonable.
Okay. So I should be pissed off at myself
Yes.
for taking 6 months to restore a
Yeah.
car. Yeah, you're right. Shame on me.
Work on other cars too.
Shame
yeah.
on me.
Yes.
Idiot. I know that I'm the guy that ultimately is responsible to make sure that the deadlines are met, but the group of bananas out there, they're equally as responsible. I just can't pass the buck on to them. What are you doing out here anyway?
New Year's resolution.
New Year's resolutions. Here's a New Year's resolution for everybody. Okay, check this out. You're gonna love this. Come here. This is great. Okay. We're actually gonna do what our lips say we're gonna do. You figure out whatever that is. You get back over putting the door on. You go around torturing. I need coffee.
Hey everybody, Mark here from Graveyard Carz. I can't put the top up until you hit subscribe. So I'm begging you. Hit subscribe.